Not much going on today because as you can see, the weather is bad. It's been raining and it's supposed to rain again today. I need to put a car cover on that one because it's leaking all in that one, man. But I got this one pulled out today because I feel like I needed to make some content. I haven't done any, recorded any in a while. And then I had this idea. This video is primarily for new Corvette owners. You may be wondering, how in the hell are you going to get a jack up under here, and where are the jack points? So if you had a Corvette for a while, this video may not do nothing for you, but if you are a new owner, this is going to help you a lot. If your car is lowered like mine is lowered, it sits pretty low. Right here, it doesn't look low because my driveway is not straight, but it is super low. So when you try to jack one of these up, or if you're taking it somewhere to get jacked up, that's something you need to be aware of. This car has jack points. Now, unlike a lot of cars, every car has a jack point, but there's a hole in the bottom of these jack points that you're going to really need to pay attention to. Because if you have a floor jack like this, and I hope you do, because this is the first step, is to get a low profile jack, 3-ton, that'll work. This comes right out of Harbor Freight. It's tremendous, and it wasn't that expensive. I don't even remember how much. But with the floor jack, this is going to be pretty big. See, this is too big for the jack points in a Corvette, and that's where these come in handy. This is called a jack Putt, and I'm going to show you how it works. You can get these little things off Amazon. They're not that much, $13, $13.99. There's even some that you can screw in there now. And those will probably will be the better one because these come in a set of 4, and this is the last one I got left. Why? Because I forget to take them out and I lose them on the highway. So the way that this goes is pretty obvious. This screws in the mounting point on the car and it sits right there. So that pretty much is obvious as to what it's going to do. It's going to keep this jack from fucking up the bottom of your car. That's the simplest way to explain it. Now let me show you where you mount this at before it rain on my head. Because it's coming, we'll come down here. So like I said, there's 4 jack points on these cars. 1 in the front, two in the front, 2 in the back. And if you got these side skirts, it's gonna make it a little bit more difficult to find. If you see it, put the camera up under here. This is the jack point right here. So as you can see, there's not that much space. You wanna make sure if you're taking your car to the shop to get work done, that they're using these points. But furthermore, you want to keep these in your car. This goes right up in there like that, and then you turn it. Once you turn it, it's in there. It's not going nowhere until it vibrates loose. Now the problem of it is if you have 4 of these, you will have the tendency to leave this in here. You don't want to do that because you will lose it. Like I said, I had 4 and now I'm down to 1. The last time I was looking for these, this one was up under the car. To take it out, you just turn it. This keeps you from messing up your plastic. You know, if you have one of them little cheap jacks, then you won't need it. But you want a low profile jack, good low profile jack. This is just great insurance. Yeah, let's see if I can get up from this low. Anyway, I just wanted to make that little quick video for all of my new Corvette owners. Get you one of these, get you 4 of these off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description, and get yourself a low profile jack. You will thank me for it. This your boy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.